There are two types of people in this world. People who keep their keys secure, and others are like me.
Wait, he just tapped it? I'm here doing archaeology in my pocket, and this guy, he started his scooter just like unlocking the iPhone. I can't unlock one scooter, and my client want whole smart fleet. Beautiful.
But this is exactly where the EV scooter business is going. Not just two wheels and a battery. Now buyers want scooters that unlock with NFC, show everything on a digital dashboard, look futuristic, and can be ordered in large numbers for delivery fleets. So I opened madeinchina.com. I searched for smart electric scooter manufacturers and found Zuboo in Taizhou, Zhejiang. The profile looked different, not old school scooter factory, more like a scooter company trying to become a tech brand.
So today I'm here as a buyer for my clients with one question. Are these scooters really smart, or they are just normal scooter wearing makeup? So let's unlock the truth.
Hi Zia, welcome to Zuboo.
Thank you so much.
Our group built at 2006.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right now it's almost 20 years.
Yes, right.
Very nice.
And we also have 5 factories in China, in 5 different cities.
About the e-bikes?
Yes, electric bike, electric motor.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see here is our Tianjin factory.
What's your production capacity? Like every day, like how many units you're producing?
We produce more than 3,000 in our Taizhou factories.
3,000 pieces a day?
A day? Yes.
That's a pretty good number. When I was checking your factory profile on madeinchina.com, I realized your bikes are different because they are more smart. How do you got this idea to make the bikes more smart?
Yeah, because we want to make people's life more convenient.
That's pretty awesome. After seeing their history, I think they are not small factory. Even they have started their journey in 2000, but right now they have around 6,000 showrooms in China.
First buyer test, access.
Because in modern city business, especially the delivery fleets, keys are headache. Rider lose them, manager duplicate them, and everyone say, bro, where's the key? This is the part every rider look at first, the dashboard. Old bikes had the simple meters. This feels more like a phone screen with handlebars. A rider should understand the scooter in one look. Battery, speed, mode, lights. A good dashboard is not a decoration, it is a communication. Even right now you can go reverse, which is amazing. Now let's talk about something the buyers pretend to not to care, but secretly they care about this a lot, the looks. Because in 2026, an electric bike is not just a transport, it is the part of your brand. For delivery company, a bike is moving advertising. For young riders, it is personality. For distributors, it is what makes people stop and ask how much. Look at this paint finish. Clean, glossy, very dangerous. Because right now I'm not thinking like a buyer, I'm thinking what color would make me feel rich in traffic. The real question is, can they produce the same sample again and again without turning your bulk order into a surprise box? For buyers, this is where I stop looking at showroom and start watching ads.
Panel fitting, wire routing, paint condition, light alignment, dashboard connection. Because one small mistake here becomes a customer complaint later.
Oh my goodness, they are making one e-bike in just about 40 seconds. That's insane. Those all are ready and they are ready to go to different countries. Actually, this is a boring thing that save your money, and I love the thing that save money. Now, this is the section my clients care about: delivery fleet. 1 scooter is a product, 10 scooter is an order. That is an operation.
For delivery companies, the scooter needs to be simple, easy to unlock, easy to ride, easy to charge, easy to maintain, and strong enough for riders who treat every delivery like a Formula 1 race.
This is not built for the weekend picnic. This is built for the food delivery, car delivery, city logistics, and the riders who say 5 minutes but is still 20 minutes away.
Smart unlock, pass. NFC card, passed. LED dashboard, very pretty, passed. Headlight, passed. Also slightly judging me.
What's your main product?
Our main product is electric scooter, electric motorcycle, and electric e-bike.
And smart unlock options?
Smart features including NFC, app control, and 4G connection.
Do you support the customization?
Yes, we support OEM and ODM, including color option and branding packaging.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So what did I learn today? Zuboo is not trying to make the toughest looking bike. They're trying to make the bike feel modern. NFC access, digital dashboard, clean design, stylish body panels, and fleet-ready models for city business. As a buyer, that matters because the scooter market is changing. People, they don't just buy transport anymore. They buy convenience, they buy design, they buy smart features. And businesses buy fleet that can work every day in the city. I found Zuboo through madeinchina.com, but today I came here to see what is behind the profile. Now I understand the positioning. This is not just a normal electric bike factory. This is the smart city mobility factory. If you are sourcing electric bikes, don't only ask about the speed and battery. You can ask how the riders unlock it, how the dashboard talk to them, and how the design represent your brand, and whether the factory can supply the 1 scooter or 1 full fleet. If you want boots on the ground for your sourcing solution, connect Zia Sourcing. Links are in the description. Finally, no key, no problem. Thanks to madeinchina.com. Now, where did I park my car? Same Zia, stay premium.